Good morning students, I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 6 maths, Roman numerals and their rules. Students, here Roman numerals and these are the rules. First of all, what is Roman numeral? It is a Roman numeral. It is a early system of writing numerals. Early system of writing numerals. So Roman numeral is it is a early system of writing numerals. It's called, is known as Roman. It is early system of writing numerals is known as Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to represent Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols are used to represent Roman numerals. A student, we know in Hindu-Arabic system, Hindu-Arabic numeral or system. This is Hindu-Arabic numeral and this is Roman numeral. In Hindu-Arabic numeral, we write 1 just like it, but in Roman numeral, it is write I. 5 in Hindu-Arabic numeral, but in Roman, it is written as V. 10, it is written as X. In Hindu-Arabic numeral, 50 is written as, and for 50 in Roman numeral, it is written as capital L. 100, it is here C. 500, it is D. And 1000, it is in Roman numeral M. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are 7 basic symbols to represent Roman numeral. One also noted point is here. Important noted point. If bar is given on the Roman numeral, means it is 1000 times more. If B means 5, but what is meaning of B bar? Means 5 into 1000, that is 5000. X means 10, but what is meaning of X bar? It is 10,000. Okay, students? Now, rule. The first rule is repetition of a symbol in a Roman numeral means addition. If any Roman numeral is repeated, means it is addition, but caution is there. Only and only I, X, C, M can be repeated. Can be repeated. B, L and D cannot be repeated. Cannot or never be repeated. Never repeated. Cannot be or never be repeated. Third point. No any symbol. No any repeating symbol. Repeating symbol should be more than 3 times. Student, I, X, C, M can be repeated only, but B, L and D cannot be repeated and never be repeated. But I is repeated, but how much time? It is only for 3 times. I can be repeated only for 3 times. X can be repeated only for 3 times. C can be repeated only for 3 times. M can be repeated only for 3 times. Not more than 3 times. It must be remembered. It should be remembered by you. So, what we have studied? We study B, L, D can never be repeated. I, X, C and M are repeated but only for 3 times. Examples. I means 2. How it is? It is just like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. X. What is the meaning of X, student? 10. But here 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So triple X means 30 result. Now rule number 2. A smaller numeral to the small numeral retain to the right side, right of larger numeral, right side of larger numeral means it means addition, or it is added to the larger numeral. If B is written, B means 5, I means 1. B means 5, I means 1. But BI means 5 plus 1, that is 6. X means 10, I means 1. And XI 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So if you write a smaller numeral, just write to the larger numeral, means added to the larger numeral. LX, L means What is meaning of L? 50. What is meaning of X? 10. So 50 plus 10, it is 60. CX. What is meaning of C? 100. And what is meaning of 10? X. 10. So CX is 110. Now rule number 3. When a smaller numeral is written left to the larger numeral, means subtracted from larger numeral. Suppose x is 10, I is 1, but if any write ix means 10 minus 1, it is 9. So ix means 9. It is 5 and it is 1, but IB means 5 minus 1, it is 4. So if a smaller numeral is just written left side of the larger, means it is subtracted from the larger. C means 100, X means 10. If anyone writes XC means 100 minus 10, 90. But in rule number 3, what is quotient? What is quotient? Which numeral is subtracted and which cannot be subtracted? Students, only B, L and D never be subtracted. Remember, B, L and D never be subtracted, and it is also never be repeated. Never subtracted. Second, I, X, C and M, I, X, C and M are subtracted. But I subtracted from B and X only. I subtracted from B and X only. Remember, student, X subtracted from L and C only. C subtracted from D and M only. I subtracted from B and X only. X subtracted from L and C only. And C subtracted from D and M only. For IV, 40, XL, 9, IX, I subtracted from B and X only, you know already. X subtracted from L and C only. XL, 40, XL, 90, XC, C separated from D and M only. If you write 400 means C, D. You write 900, sorry 900, not 900. 900 means C, M. Because M is 4, 1000 and C 4, 900. These are the some examples. These are some examples. Now rule number 4. Rule 4 is when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral, or when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from larger numeral. Suppose you have to write 90. XIX. Double X means 20. But you use XIX means 20 minus 1, that is 90. Suppose you have to write 24. XB means 25, but XIB means 24. So here IB was subtract from B. So some examples. Sorry for tearing a paper, student. Due to this pin. So students, if you want to write 114, how can it possible? 100, it is C. 15, it is XB. 14, it is XIB. So 114 XI. Sorry, 14. SC X 110, IB 114. So C X I B. 1 minute, sir. If you want, write 149. C stand for 100, L is stand for 50. So 149 means not 149, just like now students. So here some examples also here. 79. 79, sir. This is very. First of all, I would like to use only a small number for you, because you are just start to learn a small number. Students, 79. You know that for writing 79, L it stands for 50, X it stands for 60, 70, and it is 80. Where did that used to I It is just behind the last x. Because LXXX is stand for 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 80. But you want to write 79, so we use 79 LXXIX. If you want to write, student, 99. C is for 100, X is for 90, and this is the 99. If you want to write $49, student, L is stand for 50 and X is just subtract, this is 40. L is for 40, XL means L is for 50, XL means 50 minus 10, 40. So if we want to write 49, XLIX, XLIX. And if you want to write 149, student, just here. At the start, I cut this 149 because of some dilemma. That is right for you. So I would like to make understand by small numbers. Now here 149. Student, 49 is here. XLIX. So C X L. C stand for 100. CXL is stand for 140. CXL means 140 and IX 149. CXL IX is 149 students. Students, now your description class is here. Student, please watch this video. After watching this video, you get benefit also. You hear carefully and just solve exercise 1G. Just try to solve exercise 1G. Thank you.